Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS text formatting property. So the CSS text formatting properties are used to format the text using CSS. Like an example, we can select the h1 element and then we can use the color property and we can set the color of the text. Similarly, instead of the color name we can use the RGB value, or also we can use the hex value to set the color of the text. And next we have the text align property. So the text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text. So the text align value can be center, or it can be left, or it can be right. And also the text align property can be justify. So when the text align property is set to justify, then each line is stretched so that every line has equal width. So next we have the text direction property. So the text direction property is used to change the direction of the text. Like an example, I'm gonna create one p tag, and inside the p tag I'm gonna have some paragraph. Now we can select the p element and then we can use the direction property and we can set the direction to right to left, or we can set the direction to left to right. And next we have the vertical align property. So the vertical align property is used to set the vertical alignment of an element. So the vertical align can be baseline, or it can be text top, or the value can be text bottom. Also the value can be sub, or the value can be super. And next we have the text decoration. So the text decoration property is used to set the decoration of the text. So the decoration can be overline, or the decoration can be underline, and also the decoration can be line through. And also we can use the decoration value as none to remove all the decoration from the text. And next we have the text transform property. So the text transform property is used to set uppercase or the lowercase letter in a text. Like an example, the value can be uppercase or the value can be lowercase, and also we can use the value as capitalize to capitalize the first letter of each word. And next we have the text indent property. So the text indent property is used to specify the indentation of the first line of a text. Like an example, we have the paragraph tag. Now we can use the text indent property to the paragraph tag and we can set the indentation of the first line of the text. And next we have the letter spacing property. So the letter spacing property is used to specify the space between the character in a text. Like an example, the letter spacing can be 5 pixels, and you can see there is space of 5 pixels between the characters in a text. And next we have the line height property. So the line height property is used to specify the space between lines. Like an example, the line height can be 30 pixels. And also we have the word spacing property. So the word spacing property is used to specify the space between the words in a text. Like an example, we can have the space of 10 pixels. So you can see there is space between the words of 10 pixels. And next we have the white space property. So the white space property specifies how white space inside an element is handled. Like an example, the white space can have the value of no wrap, then the white space inside that element will not be wrapped, or also we can make it normal. So next we have the text shadow property. So the text shadow property adds shadow to the text. So the first parameter will be the horizontal shadow, the second parameter will be the vertical shadow, and the third parameter we can add the color to the shadow like green. And also we can have another parameter, the blur effect of 5 pixels. So in the text shadow property, the first parameter is the horizontal shadow, the second parameter is the vertical shadow, The third parameter is the blur effect, and the fourth parameter is the color of the shadow. So these are all the text formatting property that we can use to format the text in CSS. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.